While the Russian defense industry is busy supplying the needed hardware for the war, Iran is developing new systems that will also find their way to the Russian armed forces. Since the beginning of 2023, the Iranians have supplied Russia with a great number of armed UAVs. Now the Iranians are moving forward and are displaying a new, more advanced system. Tasnim News reported that Iranian military specialists have successfully modified a domestically produced surface-to-air missile for compatibility with the Karrar jet-powered drone. Brigadier General Alireza Sabahifard, commander of the Iranian Army's Air Defense Force, announced on Sunday that the Karrar drone is now equipped with a heat-seeking air-to-air missile that has a reach of 8 kilometers. The development comes after 18 months of rigorous research and testing, during which the air defense team altered the AD-08 Majid surface-to-air missile. The missile's warhead is now capable of neutralizing a variety of aerial threats. Previously, the Karrar drone had been utilized for radar and radio alerts against foreign aircraft nearing Iranian airspace or coastal waters. The drone is part of Iran's new generation of aerial technology, specifically designed for high-altitude interception tasks, thus expanding the scope of the country's air defense operations. The Karrar drone, unveiled in 2010, was developed during President Ahmadinejad's tenure and is a reverse-engineered model based on the American Beechcraft MQ-107 Streaker, a 1970s-era target drone. David Israel comments in Jewish press. In 2021, the Karrar drones were fitted with Shahab-e Saqeb missiles aimed at aerial targets. The drone was initially revealed on August 23, 2010, a day following the inauguration of a nuclear reactor in Bushehr. It was branded as Iran's first long-range unmanned aerial vehicle UAV capable of bombing operations. Meanwhile, according to the report, dozens of Karrar interceptor UAVs equipped with Majid air-to-air missiles were added to the battle array of the Army's Air Defense Force. This is the Iranian-made interceptor Karrar UAV. It has high maneuverability in intercepting targets nearing our country's airspace. Obviously, the Karrar UAV does not need a runway. It can be launched on an interception mission from any geographic location and surprise the enemy. Sometimes, the enemy's birds insist on entering our airspace. In such cases, Karrar uses its smart weapon. According to the report, the Majid missile can follow manned and unmanned aerial targets, using its thermal system and electronic eye, and then destroy them. The Karrar UAV, equipped with a Talu jet engine and a Majid missile, is now delivered to the air defense commands in the country in order to best defend our airspace.